NPM packages are ready-to-use code modules that can extend your N8N's capabilities. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can install them on your self-hosted N8N to unlock powerful features for your workflows. Let's go. Okay, so this video totally follows the one I made about installing N8N and Flowise on Elsener servers. So if you have not looked at it, I really recommend watching it first, unless you know already about servers. So we need to enter in our server. So with SSH, and in my case, it's a demo one. This is explained in the previous video. So I enter in the server. Okay, so now we are inside the server. And here we need to go to the N8N folder. So cd change directory N8N Docker Caddy. So now we are inside and we need to create a Docker file. So I copy this. Okay, and now we are inside Nano and we copy that. So to install the essential packages. So here I copy that. And of course, this is an example. You can install the packages that you want. And myself, when I need something, I come here, I open this file, and I add here this additional package. Okay, so we save and exit. Okay, and then we need to modify the Docker Compose YAML file. So we need to go to this to open it with Nano again. And here we need just to have this variable node function allow external, and we are going to allow all the external packages. So I copy that and we have it here in environment and exit. Okay, now we need to put this down. So Docker Compose down. And now we need to build. So Docker Compose build. And now Docker Compose up. It should be ready to use. So let's see and make a test to see if this works. To test if this package works, we are going to do something fun. We are going to scrape Hacker News here. So we do a very simple workflow just for demo purpose. So we use a manual trigger, and here we have a code node. Okay, and I have already prepared the code here. So it's using Cheerio and Axios. And if you remember, we have installed this package on N8N. So the URL is this one. Of course, we could have a previous node or a form where Google Sheet or whatever to enter the URLs that we want to scrape. Then we get the page with Axios, and then Cheerio will pick what we need. And here we want the titles. And if we inspect the page, we can see that, you see, the title as a class titeline, and this is what we want. Okay, so let's test it now. Test step, and everything works. You see, that can be very, very useful to have this package. And there is thousands of NPM packages. To find them, you can come here on npmjs.com or simply search for what you need on Google, Perplexity, or ChatGPT, Claude, whatever. And so here, let's say that we want to find something to generate QR codes. Okay, and you can see already that there is things appearing here. But if we click on search, more than 1,000 package found. Okay, so you can do tons of things with that. And by the way, this is also here on NPM, where the community nodes that I show in this video are living too. So in this video, we have seen how we can have tons of functionality to N8N self-hosted. We can scrape website, we can find QR code, and whatever you think, you will find it there. Of course, if you need my help to streamline your business, identify opportunities, to automate things, or to help you with technical challenges, please book a free consulting call. And of course, if you like my content and want to help me, please subscribe, like, comment, and see you next week for new tutorials about N8N and AI automation. Bye.